Hi, I'm Jason Wilk with Echo Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install the 901-21Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this CS310 chainsaw. Before we get started, we'll just make sure we have the 901-21Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit, safety glasses, a 19mm spark plug wrench, and a piece of wire that we bent into the shape of a hook so we can access and pull out the fuel filter from the fuel tank. Before we remove the top cover, we just want to go ahead and pull the choke out. Make sure the stop switch is in the stop or off position. And then we'll go ahead and engage the chain brake by pushing the chain brake handle forward towards the bar and chain until it clicks. To gain access to the spark plug and their air filter, we have to undo these locking side tabs by just lifting up and pulling off to the side. Then we can remove the top cover, which gives us access to our air filter and our spark plug. We're going to change the spark plug out first, so we'll go ahead and disconnect the spark plug boot. We'll use our 19mm spark plug wrench to unthread the spark plug in a counterclockwise direction from the engine. Then we'll install our new spark plug by first hand threading, getting the thread started into the engine by hand first. And then coming back with our 19mm spark plug wrench, fully tightening that down into the engine. And then reinstalling the spark plug boot. To replace the air filter, we'll take the locking clip and push down until it actually goes past the little side hump on the side of the air filter. Then we can go ahead and grab the two tabs on top, pull the air filter out, take the new air filter, install it in, making sure the tabs seat flush, and then re-locking in the retaining clip. Then once the air filter is secure, we'll take the cover, we'll reinstall by placing it on top of the engine, and then re-securing with the locking tabs on the side. To gain access to the fuel filter, we'll loosen the fuel cap. Go ahead and pull the tether out of the fuel tank. And then using that piece of wire we formed in the shape of a hook, we'll reach into the fuel tank, grab the fuel line, pull it out through the opening. And then note there is a little clip on here that holds the fuel filter onto the end of the fuel line. We're just going to hold that in place, remove the old filter, and then keeping the clip on the fuel line, we'll install the new filter. Then we'll go ahead and reinstall the fuel filter back into the tank, reinstall the tether, and tighten the fuel cap. This concludes the installation of the 901-21Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on the CS310. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for additional YouCan installation videos.